Just wanna see the light.
Hello everyone and welcome back again. We are starting another complete tutorial on Blender, a 3D modeling and animation course. In this course we will start from understanding the Blender interface, and after then we'll do some box modeling. We'll also create some game asset, and finally we go straight forward towards the animation. Now in this video I will start with downloading and installing Blender in PC. Blender is free and we can find it on its official site blender.org. You can search Blender from any browser. Click on its official site and then click on download Blender. Now from the download page you can click on download Blender and your download will be started. Now after your download has been completed, you can double click it to open. Click on next to continue. Now accept the end user license agreement of Blender and click on next. If you want to change the install location of the Blender, then you can change it from here, but I will not recommend to change the location. So I click on next. Now click on install and finally the installation will be begins. After completing installation, then click on finished. You have now installed a Blender in your PC. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet you in the next lecture.